They say what you pursue pursues you. So, what are you pursuing today? You got up in pursuit of what? To get up and watch TV? Jump on your phone? Scroll? Consume? Or did you get up with a purpose, a routine that's supposed to help you make those dollar bills, create that future that you've always wanted to, build the life? Like, what did you wake up with pursuing? I think so often we act a little delusional on what we're actually pursuing. And when confronted with it, you're like, no, this is what I'm pursuing. This is my priority. But then when you look at your calendar, your routine, your habits, it ends up being something else. So if you would like to make more money, change your life, get more fit, any of those kind of things, you have to pursue it with all your actions. So then it will pursue you.